Hello and welcome to Koderkraft. This is episode 5 and today we're going to be looking at the patch tool, which is located right here. You can also press J and that'll select the patch tool. Now the patch tool works in this way. So let's say you wanted to get rid of, let's say, this bird and this post. So all you have to do is click on the patch tool or use the hotkey J and that'll select the patch tool. So right out the box, you can select the object that you want to remove. Go ahead and select all the way around. So now all you have to do is left click and hold. You can hold shift to move horizontally here and select an area that is empty. So I'm going to stop right there. Okay, so now we can click outside to deselect the patch selection. And we got this little sharp edge and a little bit of the post still left over. So all we have to do is select again the area and shift it. Let's do the right side. We'll shift it like that. You can see there's a little bit of duplication here. We can shift it to the right and that's it. That is how the patch tool works. It's very, very simple. It's fast. Anything that you see that's duplicated, like you see there's two little bumps here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can take and select these and drag anywhere else, and that'll remove it. So anything that you see duplicated, you can move around, and that'll fill up and make it a little bit more dynamic of a picture. Like so. And that's it. Let's take a look at another image of these two kids in a meadow. Now, we can select all the way around the kids, like this. And we can either drag to the left or to the right. Let's see how that looks. Hold shift, left click and hold and drag. And that's it. The kids are gone. And it's very, very seamless and very fast. Let's Control Z and let's see how it looks like when we drag to the right. I think I like this outcome better. It gives it a more of a natural feel. Also, you see these people in the background? We can get rid of those too using the patch tool. So you can select the person. And when you drag, you can see where and how it's going to be filled. So I'm going to match it up just like this and let go, right? And that seamlessly removes the person. It's just an incredible and easy tool to use if you want to remove objects very, very seamlessly and quickly. And that's it. There you have it. Any sharp edges that you see, such as this area right here, you can select it and you can just move it slightly to make it blend in with the background a little bit more, such as here. You can select this, move it down a little bit. And there you have it. That's the patch tool. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Like if you liked the video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Stick tuned for episode 6 for more Photoshop tutorials. Thank you for watching Koderkraft. My name is Michael Friedman. You're awesome.